Hello my beautiful people, to the newcomers, and hey, what's up bitches, to the people that have already been in my channel before. We're going to be using our Love Palette from Natasha Denona this week to do this eye look. And also a mini review. We're going to do the review before and then just the eye look, okay? Yeah, this is what we're working with. It is a pink and purple palette. Like, it is 15 colors of pure love. That's all I can say. It does have a selection of pinks, from coral pinks to, pale pinks. It has reds, dark red, heart red, and it has a selection of purples, light purples, dark purples. What I can say about this palette is when it first came out, I looked at it and I said, I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be honest, I was not sure. The color selection just wasn't calling out to me particularly. But then I saw swatches. I saw somebody swatched it somewhere. I don't even remember. I feel like an asshole because I don't remember where I saw it. But I saw swatches and I was like, wait, is that the same palette? Are those the same colors? And then I was intrigued because I was like, okay, I might have misjudged. I might have, jumped to conclusions or whatever. And I was like, fine, I'm gonna get it. The day I got it, I recorded my Spanish video because I was just like, wow, like I have to play with this. I definitely have to do something with this because when I swatched, when I touched the eyeshadows, it was like butter melting. And who doesn't like butter? It was just, it blends nicely. There's no extra work. Like, I didn't spend 15 minutes blending. I didn't spend 5 minutes blending. I applied, blended, and moved on. And to me, that's so important, especially when you're trying to achieve something like this that is so precise. I think that is very important. From basic looks, and I'm not saying basic as shade, no shade, like just basic, like 2 eyeshadow colors to anything as complicated as you want to do. This palette would work. I just think it would work. I think this, for now, to me, this is the Valentine palette. It doesn't have super bright colors, but it doesn't have super mellow colors. It's kind of in the middle, and I like that. For your afternoon date to your nighttime date, like, you can create with this because it's in the middle, and that allows you certain, room to work with. You can make it as bright or as, mellow as you want because there is a selection that would work out to make out both looks. If I'm explaining myself right, and if I'm not, I'm sorry. But yeah, it has enough shimmers. It has enough shimmers and enough mattes to where I see myself wearing this on my date night for Valentine's Day. I really do. Now, the packaging is beautiful. I love this color. And I feel like this color is in here as an eyeshadow. And I feel like it's our Intense. Don't look at my fucking mess. Our Intense, which is this color right here. Yeah. I like it. I like it. I don't own a lot of Natasha Denona, but I do have the Sunrise palette, which is another palette just like this one. And they retail for $65. And I think it's enough. I think I can work with them and I like them, and I actually do like the other one a lot. But yeah, I love this palette. Fun fact about me, my anniversary is February 14, and it is Valentine's Day, obviously. I got married a year ago, and so this is definitely gonna be it for our date. Definitely our date of 3 now, because my baby girl is coming with us. But yeah, it'll definitely be part of that look. So actually, we should go out right now because I'm feeling this. Like, I'm feeling this look. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Purples are my thing. And then, with that pink on top and then just that silver, it just, so it's making me feel some type of way about myself. I'm not gonna lie, and I appreciate it because it's finally February and I'm rambling now. So I'm gonna let y'all go with that. Yeah. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it. If you recreate, let me know. If you bought it, let me know and tell me what you think. I hope y'all agree because I am being honest. Like, I do like it. I hardly buy things I'm not gonna like. I'm not gonna lie to you because I'm spending my own money and it's quite a lot of money sometimes. So I hardly ever buy anything that is not going to be of my liking, and if I do, I don't keep it. But if I do run across something, I'll let you know. I am being as honest as I can. It is something that I am happy I'm happy with my purchase. Like, I am. So Valentine's Day is coming up. If any boys out there, and if any boyfriends, girlfriends, anybody out there, presents. Thank you for watching, and let's get into this look. So let's get started, right? We're gonna start with a brow brush, like a slanted brush, and we're gonna grab the color Trust, okay, which is like a dark purple. And we're gonna make a circular line starting like right above your inner corner and above your crease, okay? And it's just gonna end right there. You can retouch it if you want it to be darker, because we're gonna blend it anyways, okay? Then with our E30 pencil brush, we're gonna grab the color Soul, which is like I wanna say like a dark salmon. You know, and we're gonna just right above our purple line, just cover it. And then pull it out a little more, okay? And then time to blend, okay? We're just gonna blend that pink with that purple a little bit to the top, just so we don't have just hard lines. Okay. And into our brow bone. And now with our little eye concealer, our P. Louise number 2 as always. We're gonna grab a little bit with a synthetic brush, and we're gonna just clean it up, okay? Just clean it up a little bit. So you get the cut crease that you want, which is always a really sharp one. So with this kind of looks, don't be scared to go back and fix and go back and fix, because seriously, they're just to such precision that you do have to keep going back and just kind of like fixing. Now, yay, I'm using the strips, yay. And we are going to apply it. You know what, I would tell you what angle this is, but I have no idea. So we're just gonna say it's like slanted, okay? That's all we're gonna say. I don't got time. I was never good at math. I'm not gonna start today. Okay. And my Cardi B boys, okay. So anyways, you're gonna grab a gel liner. And that's just to, you know, just to start off our line. Nothing special. And just like to a quarter into your eye. We're gonna blend it all together anyways. And your smudge brush, you grab the color Commitment. Now let me tell you, I don't know, but I am committed to this. And just on top of your gel liner, you just kind of smudge it. Doesn't have to be clean, just bring it in, because we're gonna do a little more to it anyways. And just to close the look, because this is gonna be like our eyeliner, just with another slanted brow pencil, you just cover it. Now with our Sigma E25 brush, we're gonna blend a little bit. And with our Zoeva 234 shader brush, we're gonna grab the color Dream. And just on top of that, just a little bit. It's a lighter purple. Okay. And just keep blending. A lot of purples on top of purples. Back to 21S and their color Valentine. And that's just like, just to, you know, bring some transition into our makeup, into our eyeshadows. And voila, we have a straight line. Now with our fender bender, we're gonna grab the color Blind, as I am. And it's just gonna be this is just like a silver. And then just in the middle, we're gonna apply some of it, a little bit of it. And then bring it down here. Just a little bit. and in the inner corner. It's not that this aren't complicated looks, it's just a lot of steps and a lot of lines, and you know, these strips do help a lot, so you don't have to do a lot of correction either. So they're elf. I like them. They do stick too. Now with our same little slanted brush that we grabbed the color Commitment, you know, to close off our eyeliner right there, we're just gonna apply it to our lash line. And then bring it out some. Now with the same pencil brush that we use the color Soul, we're just gonna blend that together. And that is our eye makeup. With our contour brush, as always, up in circular motions. And for our blush, our MAC Desert Rose blush, up over our cheeks and up. For my highlighter, I'm gonna use the How Many Crystals from Fenty Beauty, which is a very, I don't know, glittery highlighter. And I definitely see that where the crystal part came about on the name, because that's exactly what it looks like. And for my lip liner, I use the Lovecraft lip liner from Kat Von D, okay? So this is the final look. I like it. It's something completely new for me. I've never done anything like this before, but it is, when I first thought about it, I thought, oh my God, it's something that I wouldn't wear out. Like I wouldn't leave my house with that kind of eyeshadow, because just me, right? No judgment, just me. But now that it's done, hell yeah, I would leave my house with this eyeshadow. Like I would go and slay, girl. Like I totally like it. All it takes is practice, people. It's just about lines. It's just about knowing the amounts. And I mean, if you don't practice, you won't know. That's my motto, right? Fuck it up until it comes out right. And if it doesn't, then just call it then you're just original. That's what we're going with. It's 2020. I don't care. I don't know where that came from, but whatever. By the way, I am recording this video right after the Super Bowl. So go Shakira, go J-Lo. Like, girl, yes.